The Object Selection tool makes selecting a subject extremely easy with the power of artificial intelligence. This tool is nested under the Magic Wand tool in the toolbar. To use this tool, hover over the object you want to select and notice how it becomes highlighted in blue. There are a few ways you can select something from here. In the Options bar, you can set the mode to Rectangle to create a box around the snowboarder, or set it to Lasso to manually draw around him. The third way is to simply click on the snowboarder's body, then hold Shift to add the snowboard. The last way is to click Select Subject in the Options bar. Keep in mind this may not work with every image. Remember, you can always add to a selection using the Direct Selection tool, Lasso, or other selection tools. To refine my selection, I will click Select and Mask in the Options bar. The Select and Mask feature is accessible under all other selection tools as well. Here I can move the sliders around until I like the selection. Now click OK. From here, there are a variety of things you can do. You can copy this selection to another image, for example. I encourage you to give this tool a try in addition to previous selection tools we explored.